Good evening. I'm bringing you breaking developments on Zambia today. Tonight we examine the ongoing legal battle over the repatriation of former President Edgar Lungu's remains from South Africa. Edgar Lungu, who served as Zambia's president from 2015 to 2021, passed away on June 5, 2025, while receiving medical treatment in Pretoria. His death has sparked an unprecedented legal and political dispute between his family and the Zambian government. The controversy centers on who has the right to control the former president's funeral arrangements and final resting place. The Lungu family has firmly refused to allow the government to take custody of the body, citing the former president's alleged wishes to exclude current President Hakainde Hichilema from his funeral. This stems from the contentious electoral rivalry between Lungu and Hichilema, a tension that has now extended beyond the grave. The family's legal team argued that respecting Lungu's personal wishes should take precedence over state protocol. However, the Zambian government maintained that as a former head of state, Lungu deserved an official burial on Zambian soil. Officials argued this follows national tradition dating back to independence in 1964, honoring all former presidents with designated burial sites. The dispute escalated when the government filed a petition in South African courts seeking legal permission for repatriation. On August 9, the High Court in Pretoria delivered a decisive ruling in favor of the Zambian state. Judge President Aubrey Ledwaba ruled that Zambia had the legal right to conduct a state funeral, emphasizing that burial of a former head of state was a matter of public interest. Zambian Attorney General Mulilo Kabesha, present at the court, welcomed the judge's ruling as upholding national sovereignty. The burial controversy has reignited debate over Lungu's complex political legacy, including his ambitious infrastructure projects. Critics point to his administration's heavy foreign borrowing, particularly from China, which contributed to Zambia's current debt challenges. Political analysts suggest this dispute reflects a broader struggle over historical narrative and national memory in post-colonial Zambia. The case has exposed deep divisions, with polarized media coverage reflecting the country's political fault lines. The ruling raises important questions about the intersection of personal autonomy and state protocol in democratic societies. The case also has implications for Zambia's diplomatic relations with South Africa, requiring unprecedented judicial cooperation. Legal experts note this decision may set precedent for future cases involving prominent public figures who die abroad. As the government prepares for official repatriation, attention turns to how the ceremony will balance respect with acknowledgement of controversies. Observers will scrutinize the burial site choice, official delegation, and public speeches for signs of political messaging. This episode serves as a reminder of the enduring complexities of leadership transitions in post-colonial African states. The Zambian government's determination to bring Edgar Lungu home reflects a desire to reclaim control over a symbolic moment in our nation's history. Whether this will foster unity or deepen divisions remains to be seen. This has been Zambia Today. We'll continue following this developing story as it unfolds.